Welcome to our channel, where we explore all things entrepreneurship and business. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic that every entrepreneur dreams of: businesses that run themselves. Imagine building a business that can operate without your constant attention, generating passive income and freeing up your time to pursue other passions. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive list of self-running businesses and strategies that successful entrepreneurs have used to build them. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and learn how to build a self-running empire, then stay tuned. 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping inventory. Instead, you forward customer orders to a supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This business model has become popular in recent years because it requires minimal investment and allows entrepreneurs to start a business with low overhead costs. The dropshipping process typically involves four main players: the customer, the retailer, you, the supplier, and the shipping company. Here's how the process works. A customer places an order on your website or online store. You forward the order to your supplier, along with the customer's shipping information and payment. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the price the customer paid and the price you paid to the supplier. There are several advantages to the dropshipping business model, including low startup costs. Because you don't need to buy inventory up front, you can start a dropshipping business with minimal investment. Low overhead costs. You don't need to store, handle, or ship products, which means you can run a dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection. Wide product selection. With dropshipping, you can offer a wide variety of products without having to invest in inventory or storage space. Flexibility. Dropshipping allows you to test new products and markets without significant risk or investment. If you're interested in starting a dropshipping business, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose your products carefully. Research your market to find products that are in demand and have high profit margins. Find reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who have a good reputation, offer competitive prices, and have high-quality products. Focus on marketing. Since you're not manufacturing or storing products, your main focus should be on marketing and driving traffic to your website. Provide excellent customer service. While you may not have control over shipping and delivery, you can provide excellent customer service by being responsive, helpful, and transparent. Monitor your metrics. Track your sales, profit margins, conversion rates, and other key metrics to understand what's working and where you need to make improvements. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services online. It's become an increasingly popular way for businesses to reach customers and for customers to purchase products from the comfort of their own homes. E-commerce involves the use of electronic communication to facilitate commercial transactions. This can include buying and selling physical products, digital products, or services. E-commerce is typically conducted through websites or mobile apps, and can involve a range of different business models, including business-to-business, B2B, business-to-consumer, B2C, and consumer-to-consumer, C2C, transactions. E-commerce typically involves four main components: the seller, the buyer, the product or service, and the platform. Here's a brief overview of how e-commerce works. The seller sets up an online store or website to showcase their products or services. The buyer visits the website, browses products or services, and makes a purchase. The seller processes the order and arranges for shipping or delivery. The buyer receives the product or service and can leave feedback or review the purchase. E-commerce platforms can vary widely in terms of their features, pricing, and level of customization. Some popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. If you're interested in starting an e-commerce business, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose the right platform. Look for an e-commerce platform that meets your specific needs in terms of features, pricing, and customization. Focus on user experience. Your website or online store should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and offer a seamless checkout process. Optimize for search engines. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results and drive more traffic to your site. Offer exceptional customer service. Provide prompt and helpful customer service, including fast response times, transparent communication, and easy returns or exchanges. Continuously test and optimize. Monitor your website's performance and user behavior, and test different strategies to optimize conversion rates, average order value, and customer retention. There are several benefits to e-commerce, including increased reach. E-commerce allows businesses to reach customers all over the world, without the need for physical storefronts or local advertising. Lower overhead costs. E-commerce eliminates the need for many traditional business expenses, including rent, utilities, and staffing costs. Greater flexibility. E-commerce businesses can be run from anywhere with an internet connection, which allows for more flexible working arrangements. Enhanced customer experience. E-commerce platforms offer a range of features, such as customer reviews, personalized recommendations, and targeted marketing, which can improve the customer experience and build brand loyalty. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way for online entrepreneurs to monetize their content and earn commissions for promoting other people's products or services. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses pay commissions to affiliates for promoting their products or services. Affiliates typically earn a percentage of the sale or a fixed fee for each successful referral. Affiliate marketing can be done through various channels, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. The goal is to promote the products or services to a relevant audience and convince them to make a purchase. The affiliate marketing process usually involves 4 main players: the merchant, the affiliate, the customer, and the affiliate network. The merchant, also known as the advertiser or vendor, is the business that sells the product or service and provides the affiliate program. The affiliate, also known as the publisher, is the individual or business that promotes the merchant's products or services and earns a commission for each successful referral. The customer is the person who clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase. The affiliate network is the platform that connects merchants and affiliates, tracks the performance, and manages the payments. The affiliate joins the merchant's affiliate program and receives a unique affiliate link or code. The affiliate promotes the merchant's products or services on their website, social media, or other channels. A customer clicks on the affiliate link or uses the affiliate code to make a purchase on the merchant's website. The affiliate network tracks the sale and credits the affiliate with a commission. The merchant pays the affiliate a commission for each successful referral. If you're interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose the right niche. Focus on promoting products or services that align with your interests and expertise and appeal to your audience. Build a strong brand. Establish your online presence and build a loyal audience by creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. Promote products strategically. Focus on promoting products that you believe in and that will benefit your audience, rather than just promoting products for the sake of earning commissions. Use multiple channels. Utilize various marketing channels to promote the products, such as email marketing, social media, content marketing, and paid advertising. Monitor your metrics by tracking your sales. 4. Online courses. Online courses are digital learning programs that provide instructional content and resources to students. They can be accessed through various platforms, such as learning management systems, websites, or social media, and can be delivered in various formats, such as video, audio, or text. Online courses cover a wide range of topics, from academic subjects like math and science to professional skills like marketing and coding to personal development areas such as mindfulness and wellness. Online courses usually involve 4 main steps: planning, creating, launching, and promoting. Planning. In this stage, you will define the course goals and objectives, identify the target audience, outline the course structure and content, and decide on the delivery method and pricing. Creating. In this stage, you will develop the course content, such as videos, slides, handouts, quizzes, and assignments. You can create the content yourself or hire experts to help you. Launching. In this stage, you will prepare the course for launch, such as setting up the platform, creating a sales page, and testing the course functionality. Promoting. In this stage, you will market the course through various channels, such as social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and influencer collaborations. You will also track the course performance and optimize it based on the feedback and results. There are several benefits to creating and promoting online courses, including scalability. Online courses can be accessed by a large number of students from around the world, which means you can reach a wider audience and earn more revenue. Passive income. Once you create and launch the course, you can earn income from the sales, even when you're not actively promoting it. Flexibility. Online courses allow you to create and deliver the content in a way that suits your preferences and the needs of your audience. Expert positioning. Creating and promoting high-quality courses can establish you as an expert in your field and boost your credibility and authority. If you're interested in creating and promoting online courses, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose the right niche. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your expertise, skills, and passions, and that has a high demand in the market. Provide value. Create high-quality and engaging content that provides real value to your audience and helps them achieve their goals. Optimize the learning experience. Use various multimedia formats, such as videos, slides, quizzes, and handouts, to make the learning experience engaging and interactive. Price it right. Research the market and price the course appropriately based on the value it provides, the competition, and the audience's willingness to pay. Market effectively. Utilize various marketing channels to promote the course, such as social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and influencer collaborations. Engage with your audience. Build a community around the course and engage with your students by answering their questions, providing feedback. 5. Vending machines. Vending machines are automated machines that dispense products, such as snacks, drinks, or other items, when customers insert money or use other forms of payment, such as credit cards, mobile payments, or contactless payments. Vending machines are usually located in high-traffic areas, such as schools, hospitals, airports, malls, and office buildings, where customers can easily access them. Vending machines usually involve 3 main steps: purchasing, restocking, and maintenance. Purchasing. In this stage, you will purchase the vending machines and the products to be sold. You can either buy new or used vending machines, and you can either purchase the products wholesale or from local suppliers. Restocking. In this stage, you will restock the vending machines with new products as needed. You will need to regularly monitor the inventory and sales data to optimize the product mix and pricing. Maintenance. In this stage, you will maintain the vending machines to ensure they are functioning properly. You will need to clean and sanitize the machines, fix any technical issues, and replenish the change in payment systems. There are several benefits to creating and promoting vending machines, including scalability. Vending machines can be placed in multiple locations, which means you can reach a wider audience and earn more revenue. Passive income. Once you set up the vending machines and stock them with products, you can earn income from the sales, even when you're not actively managing them. Low overhead. Vending machines have low overhead costs compared to other businesses, such as rent, utilities, and labor. Flexibility. Vending machines allow you to choose the products, the location, and the pricing based on your preferences and the needs of your customers. If you're interested in creating and promoting vending machines, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose the right niche. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your target customer's preferences, such as healthy snacks, gourmet coffee, or personal hygiene products. Provide value. Offer high-quality products that provide real value to your customers and that are priced competitively. Optimize the product mix. Regularly monitor the sales data and adjust the product mix and pricing based on the customer demand and profitability. Choose the right location. Place the vending machines in high-traffic areas where customers can easily access them, such as near the entrance or in the break room. Build relationships with the location owners. Collaborate with the location owners to negotiate the placement fee, access to the electricity and water supply, and mutual promotions. Utilize technology. Use various technologies, such as cashless payment systems, remote monitoring, and inventory management software, to optimize the vending business and streamline the operations. 6. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is a service offered by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they are picked, packed, and shipped to customers. Amazon FBA also handles the customer service and returns on behalf of the sellers, making it a convenient and hassle-free option for many e-commerce entrepreneurs. Amazon FBA involves a few steps: research and sourcing. You will need to research the market and identify the products that are in demand and have low competition. You can source the products from various suppliers, such as wholesalers, manufacturers, or retailers. Listing and pricing. You will need to create a product listing on Amazon, which includes the product title, description, images, and pricing. You can use Amazon's tools, such as the Seller's Central Dashboard, to manage your listings and monitor the sales. Shipping and labeling. Once you have the products ready, you will need to ship them to Amazon's fulfillment centers and label them with the FBA barcodes. Amazon will handle the storage, picking, packing, and shipping of the products to the customers. Customer service and returns. Amazon will handle the customer service and returns on your behalf, which includes answering customer inquiries, processing refunds or exchanges, and handling any issues or complaints. If you're interested in using Amazon FBA as a self-running business, here are some tips to help you succeed. Choose the right niche. Focus on a specific niche that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand, such as beauty products, electronics, or home decor. Optimize the product listing. Use high-quality images, compelling copy, and competitive pricing to attract and convert customers. Monitor the competition. Regularly monitor the competition and adjust your prices, marketing, and product offerings based on the market demand and trends. Leverage Amazon's tools and resources. Use Amazon's tools, such as the Seller Central Dashboard, Amazon Advertising, and sponsored products to optimize your product listings and increase visibility and sales. Focus on customer satisfaction. Provide excellent customer service, such as prompt responses to inquiries, fast shipping, and easy returns, to build a loyal customer base and positive reviews. Manage your inventory. Keep track of your inventory levels and restock before the products run out to avoid stockouts and lost sales. Stay compliant with Amazon's policies. Review and follow Amazon's policies and rules to avoid account suspension or penalties. Thank you for watching our video on businesses that run themselves. We hope that this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for building a successful self-running business. As we've discussed, self-running businesses can offer numerous benefits, from generating passive income to freeing up your time and energy to pursue other ventures or simply enjoy life. However, building a business that can operate independently requires careful planning, strategy, and execution. If you're considering starting a self-running business, we encourage you to take action and start implementing the strategies we've discussed in this video. Remember, building a successful self-running business takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be an incredibly rewarding and fulfilling experience. As always, we appreciate your support and feedback, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to Capital Investments, hit the notification bell, and leave us a comment below to let us know what you thought of this video. Until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and never stop pursuing your dreams.